welcome to my channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today we will move to talk about organ donation. Organ donation is a generous act of donating an organ to person who suffer from non-function of organ. Donation of an organ may be done by the consent of the donor and his or family. Anyone regardless of age or gender can become an organ and tissue donor. Organ transplants can save or transform the life of a person. Transplantation is required because recipient's organ has been damaged or has failed by diseases or injury. In organ transplantation, the organ is surgically removed from one person and transplanted to another person. Common transplantation include corneas, kidneys, heart, liver, pancreas, lungs, intestines, and bone marrow. Most organ and tissue donation occur in just after the donor has died or when the doctor declares a person brain dead. But some organs such as kidney, part of liver, lung, etc. and tissues can be donated while the donor is alive. Okay.